Oke, kita masuk pada past progresif verbal tense ya. Positif, positif, interrogatif, negatif, negatif, interrogatif. Apa kalimatmu? Terserah.
You are going.
Kamu sedang pergi. You are going to school last week.
You are going
To school
last
minggu lalu. Oh? Oke, rubah kembali tepatnya.
positif. You are going to school last week. Positif interrogatif. Were you going to school last week? Negatif. You are not going to school last week. Or you weren't going to school last week. Negatif interrogatif. Were you not going to school last week, or weren't you going to school last week?
Day.
Positif. They were going to school last week. Positif interrogatif. Were they going to school last week? Negatif. They were not going to school last week, or they weren't going to school last week. Negatif interrogatif. Were they not going to school last week, or weren't they going to school last week? Positif. We were going to school last week. Positif interrogatif. Were we going to school last week? Negatif. We were not going to school last week, or we weren't going to school last week. Negatif interrogatif. Were we going to school last week? Were we not going to school last week, or weren't we going to school last week? Positif. I was going to school last week. Positif interrogatif. Was I going to school last week? Negatif. I was not going to school last week, or I wasn't going to school last week. Negatif interrogatif. Was I not going to school last week, or wasn't I going to school last week? Positif. He was going to school last week. Positif interrogatif. Was he going to school last week? Negatif. He was not going to school last week, or he wasn't going to school last week. Negatif interrogatif. Was he not going to school last week, or wasn't he going to school last week?
Baco.
Positif. Baco was going to school last week. Positif interrogatif. Was Baco going to school last week? Negatif. Baco was not going to school last week, or Baco wasn't going to school last week. Negatif interrogatif. Was Baco not going to school last week, or wasn't Baco going to school last week?
She.
Positif. She was going to school last week. Positif interrogatif. Was she going to school last week? Negatif. She was not going to school last week, or she wasn't going to school last week. Negatif interrogatif. Was she not going to school last week, or wasn't she going to school last week?
Becek.
Positif. Becek was going to school last week. Positif interrogatif. Was Becek going to school last week? Negatif. Becek was not going to school last week, or Becek wasn't going to school last week. Negatif interrogatif. Was Becek not going to school last week, or wasn't Becek going to school last week?
A cat. A cat juga ke sekolah kan? Biasanya di sekolah dia kan? Hah?
Iya.
Pergi ke sekolah kan biasanya? Bukan pergi ke sekolah belajar, pergi cari makan.
Iya.
A cat.
Positif. A cat was going to school last week. Positif interrogatif. Was a cat going to school last week? Negatif. A cat was not going to school last week, or a cat wasn't going to school last week. Negatif interrogatif. Was a cat going to school? Was a cat not going to school last week, or wasn't a cat going to school last week? Positif. It was going to school last week. Positif interrogatif. Was it going to school last week? Negatif. It was not going to school last week, or it wasn't going to school last week. Negatif interrogatif. Was it not going to school last week, or wasn't it going to school last week?
Finish? Good.